So I have the wall control pegboard. I am going to install it on this wall. This pegboard is made from metal and it's magnetic. I will put it up and let you see what it looks like. So this is all the pieces out of the box once I get everything out. Each panel does come with a pack of anchors and screws. There's 6 per panel. It also has little assembly instructions for every little piece here pretty much. I am going to use a stud finder to put mine into the studs themselves. It will definitely hold it up a lot better. Once we have all 3 panels hung up, this is what it looks like. It does come with several different peg attachments. It also comes with a couple different shelves that you can put on there. It will also work with other styles of pegs, so the kinds that have the ones that go into the holes, those will work on here also. After I've used all the pegs and everything that comes with it, this is what it looks like. I definitely need a few more to do. I had a set come, I'll show you that at the end as well, but fortunately a lot of different kinds of pegs will fit this one. So we got trays, we got shelves, and then we got all the pegs that came with it. After I added some of my own pegs to it, it looks a bit fuller. I plan to put another set over on the right of it. So that was one reason why I didn't center it pretty much. I think it works really well. I love that it's metal, so it's going to last a lot longer. So we have, we have shelves, drawers, hooks, pretty much everything here. This is a pretty good set to get.